Come test drive the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.